Good morning, traders. Richard here doing a quick Ichimoku cloud chart market review of Tesla in view of the recent price action. Yesterday's price action, the outlook changed from bullish to bearish since the Tesla sliced through the bottom in the cloud. Here we can see lost support at the bottom in the cloud, and now it's testing 628 on its way. That's a old cluster of cloud chart support zone here, so it will be interesting to see if it's going to regain price action back above the bottom in the cloud, because that would change the outlook back to bullish. But since the price is now below the cloud, that's overall bearish from an Ichimoku cloud chart perspective. We've got these downside support target 589, 562 and 536. These are potential downside support targets if the weakness persists and Tesla does not regain the close back above the bottom in the cloud. Now, just to recap, we've had some nice trades back here. We had a nice little swing trade back here from this bottom end rebound back to the bottom in the cloud, ran into difficulty at the standard line, then sold off again, retested the 589. So I suspect that if the weakness lasts next week or two, we should see a rebound in around 589, 590 or 600 quite possibly. But it's now there's a whole cluster of support here. So we rebounded from this bottom end, then rallied right through. Then the outlook changed from bearish to bullish, stayed above the top in the cloud for a while, did not manage to maintain support. They dipped back to the bottom in the cloud, and now finally the outlook changed back to bearish on a daily. Price action below the cloud is bearish, price action above the cloud is bullish. The front end of the cloud is still signaling that we might have an uptrend that's going to be resuming soon when Tesla rebounds from the support zone. So there's quite a wide range for a potential rebound support zone in Tesla. We've had a MACD sell in and around the coincides well with the top end cloud support loss there. So Tesla's not at the woods yet, so it's in a little bit of a tight spot. So Musk better start his Tesla propaganda again to get the price up. You can see it's failed to find support at the top end of the front end of the cloud, and there is a possibility that it can dip back into this cluster of support levels as well as the bottom end of the front end of the cloud here. So there's significant downside risk. We've had a MACD sell signal in and up here at 6760 roundabout. So as well as on the Ichimoku cloud, there was a sell signal at 820. So that the back then when Tesla was still in bullish phase back above the cloud. But so now it's sideways consolidation period, critical for a rebound support to come back in at this price. Otherwise the outlook will stay bearish on a daily. If we turn to the weekly, just see it's still bullish. Price action is above the cloud with downside support targets with a potential rebound from the top end and bottom end of the cloud chart levels. So critical week ahead for Tesla to regain its levels. If we look at the 4-hour chart, you can see 628, some major support zone being tested. Will be interesting to see if we're going to get that rebound, potential rebound from 628 back up to the bottom in the cloud. Would be a nice swing trade if support comes back in at this level. If support fails, watch out for the 589 level, and that's the next cloud chart support level. But overall, Musk better get out there and start tweeting and to pump up his price a bit. Tesla is in a spot of trouble since price action is now below the Ichimoku cloud. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.